list. Ito po, simulan natin with batch 1. We have Alan Sancon, followed by Erwin Ogawa, Ray Pumaloy, Nurse Almo, and Roldan Castro. Finishing up batch 1. So first, we have from Alan Sancon, Stars Photo. Okay, let us turn on his mic, please. So muli po, ang ating hashtag ay CITW Media Conference at saka CITW ERA or ERA. Ano ba?
Hello, yeah.
Let's go.
So, good afternoon everyone. Congratulations sa the third part itong University series ng Viva One. I just want to ask yung question ko, yung one question ko to the four, kay Derek, kay Guay, kay Ishaya, and kay Gab. Kasi parang very successful yung dalawang two-part series na Sky and yung Rain España. Is there any pressure on your part, especially to Gab and to Haya, to do this? Kasi kayo yung magpo-portray nung ano dito na bida. So, kay Derek muna, is there any pressure on your part na hindi man lagpasan, mapantayan yung success ng dalawang series?
Actually, matindi po yung pressure nung una pa lang. Kasi ako mismo, pinanood ko yung first two books. Pati yung books na basa ko. So, even the adaptation mismo, kasi sobrang ganda ng book na sinulat ni Goy. So yun yung pressure nun to translate it to a series. It's very challenging. Pero, it's yung pressure naman yung good pressure. Hindi naman siya parang intimidating na parang nakaka-paralyze or anything like that. It's more of, we just try to have fun. Lagi kong sinasabi kila Gab and Haya na iba tong book natin, where parang meron tayong, hindi natin pwede i-compare yung book natin dun sa first two books kasi magkakaiba talaga sila. Lahat naman sila maganda. So, ayun, may pressure, pero we enjoy the pressure, we welcome it, and we embrace the pressure.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Why? Yeah.
Every book naman po, there's always this pressure kasi every book is different from each other. So, since successful in Rain España and Save Skies Archer, we have to maintain that yung audience, yung mga nanood ng first two books. And also because this is such a new world for us kasi more on nasa sports field, wala naman ganito sa Rain España and Save Skies Archer. So, yung pressure for me is coming from, you know, maintaining the essence of the story kasi that's what I'm here for. That's why I'm part of the creative so that make sure na yung essence ng story and the characters will stay true to their characters talaga. So, for now, I mean, nakikita ko naman na they're really staying true to the character and also nakabantay din naman kami sa lahat ng script. So, siguro it's how the audience will react na lang talaga kapag lumabas na. But since the cast, they're all working hard, I'm sure this will be a success too, yeah.
How about Gab and Sahaya?
I have to take a breath every time. Pressure. I did feel a lot of pressure. It was like up and down. Every now and then I wouldn't feel it, but then I would. I do know that a lot of the pressure comes from because I know that we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. Then even like with the cheerleading, like I talk about this a lot, but really wanted to pay respect to that. Then sometimes it would make me anxious, but then at the same time I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and the show good. So, yes.
Sobrang, like what Haya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing and pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin and we just want to do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Thank you and congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin ang mga katanungan ni Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap.
Congrats guys sa new series. Kay Direk. Ano pong kaibahan nitong series na to or project na to from your previous projects?
Actually, ito yung first ko na kumbaga romantic comedy talaga. Pero as I've said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, lahat na emosyon, which I have done previously sa mga projects ko. Yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi naka-angkla siya sa family nung dalawang main character. So, so madali siya for me. Mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat nung mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi di pa namin nakunan eh. So yun yung challenge. Pero it's something new kaya na-excite din akong gawin siya coming from my previous projects.
Thank you, Drake. Miss Guay naman, how are you going to compare your feeling yung sa nilaunch yung Rain in España, Safe Skies, kada series, anong feeling ang nakukuha mo?
It's the same feeling all over again, the pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement syempre kasi I will have to work again with the new mga bida and we will have to curate their character again. So for me, very, very exciting kasi I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really, really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi, we will have different reactions from this. But, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw Chasing in the Wild?
Pwede ko mag-mention ng universe? Yes. Okay. Kasi po, it was originally yung yellow and green school. So, tigers and archer. So, chasing archer and wild tiger. So,
Yes na. Okay. Thank you. Good luck sa new series.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much. Moving on po, from Abante Liling, we have Ray Pumaloy.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Hi, Bea. Tapos yung question ko for Wilbert and Gab, it's nice to see you cross already from sexy to wholesome. Ibig sabihin nito ay... Wait lang ha. Ibig bang sabihin nito ay hindi na kayo magbibiba max?
For now naman po, me and the management talked about this na we should focus on university series. Pero of course, we're not closing the door to do movies like that. Pero as of now, we want to focus on being Semi and him for being Arkin.
Di ka ba walang sexy dito, no? Dahil wholesome?
Yes. Wholesome naman po ito.
Okay. Wilbert. Si Wilbert ang may pinakamarami kasing sexy.
Saan po? Actually, sa matagal na po ito, mga sobrang magto 2 years na po ata na 1 year pala na management po mismo yung nag-decide for me na to stop na the Viva Max and then mag-focus na sa wholesome. Yun lang.
Relief ba ito para sa'yo? Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
Medyo. Kasi merong bigat, hindi po kasi talaga madali to do things like sex scenes and lalo parang wholesome naman ako sa totoong buhay. Medyo, hindi po siya madali talaga. Nakakapagod po siya sa katawan, sa utak. So, dito po sa mga wholesome na po na project. So, medyo mas magaan na po siguro in terms sa work na ginagawa. Ayun.
Thank you. Pabonas naman, Peeps, kay Gab. Kasi parang laki ng braso mo, Gab, dyan. Too good to be true. Pwede mo pakita in person kung talagang braso mo. Yes naman. Sa totoo lang, parang laki-laki. Hindi ba enhance yan?
Kakatapos ko po ng bumag-gym na niya actually.
Okay. So hindi ano yan. Take it off. Take it off. Pakita mo, Gab, para sa fans.
Sabi na lang po sa movie na lang, para sa show na lang po, para may abangan na yung gusto.
Sus!
Okay. Good answer, Gab. Okay po, maraming salamat, Sir Ray. Okay.
True daw, sabi ng mga press, ayaw pumayag. Braso lang hanggang. Napakiflex. Malaki nga. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, moving on tayo. Okay.
Balot na balot nga ako ngayon.
Marker ko naman daw, sabi ng mga fans. Pang fans lang.
Wala ako sa kondisyon.
Okay, thank you so much, Marco. Moving on po tayo kay Nurse Almo from GMA Entertainment. Also, gentle reminder lang po, Viva One po sana ang focus ng questions. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Hello, good afternoon.